Welcome to Katihar Railway Station. This station is managed by the North East Frontier Railway Zone of Indian Railways. The station has a total number of 8 platforms and 3-foot overbridge. The station is accessible for wheelchair users as all platforms have ramps or lifts connecting through foot overbridges. Foot overbridge 1 has ramps to platform 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stairs at platform 8 and a lift for platforms 4 and 5. Foot overbridge 2 has stairs at platforms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, lifts at platform 2, 3, 6 and 7 and a ramp at platform 4, 5 and 8. Escalators are available at platform 1 and the back side entry exit. All the offices and passenger amenities are present on platform 1 such as the station manager's office, VIP room, ticket collector office, parcel office, Divyang toilet and waiting room. In the main entrance hall on the platform 1 side entrance, there is an inquiry counter, ticket counters and reservation counter. RPF office, waiting hall, refreshment room and child help desk are present at platforms 2 and 3. At the back entrance of the station, from platform 8 side, there are ticket counters, reservation counters, a refreshment room and waiting rooms on the ground floor. The first floor has a retiring room and dormitory. Water booths and ladies and gents toilets are available on all platforms. There are wheelchairs and portable ramps available at the station to facilitate a person using a wheelchair to board the train. Platform numbers in Braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railings of stairs and ramps leading towards the platforms. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices and facilities like toilets, waiting halls, etc. to help people with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that gives an overview of the station premise and facilities are installed in the main entry hall to facilitate people with visual disabilities. The stairs have reflective yellow paint at the start and end to assist people with low vision. Scannable audio about the railway station can be played over the phone by scanning the code installed at various locations. The initiative of providing Braille signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, including this video, is driven by Indian Railways in association with Standard Chartered Bank India and executed by Anuprayaas and Enable India.